She plagiarized my work. So I went nuclear. During my freshman year at university, I worked on a group project with 4 other people. We had completed an experiment as part of a physics class, and each of us needed to write a report to be graded. As the deadline report fell into a busy week, I made the unexpected decision to write and submit my report a few weeks early. One of my group members left everything until the last minute. 2 days before the due date, she called me in a panic, asking if I could share my report with her so she could understand how to structure the report and present the data. Being a good group member, I sent her my full report. The night before the submission, she called again, asking me to check her report and make minor adjustments. I agreed, but to my surprise, she had copied and pasted my entire report. I couldn't believe she was dumb enough to send me my own plagiarized work. This is where my revenge started. I replaced the experiment's key terms with vulgarities, swapped the step-by-step guide for a spaghetti bolognese recipe, and changed the data table with NFL box scores. I even changed the authors in her references to Harry Potter characters and rewrote her conclusion as a confession of plagiarism. I sent the revised document back to her, fully expecting an angry phone call in response. Sure enough, I did receive an angry phone call 3 weeks later when she was called in for a meeting about cheating. Apparently, being the dummy she was, she hadn't even checked the document I had sent and submitted it as is. She didn't just fail the class, she was also under threat of expelled. When she blamed me for the document, she had accidentally admitted to attempted plagiarism. Years later, when I returned to the school as a research fellow, I discovered that the director of teaching had kept a copy of her report and routinely showed it to students as a warning against plagiarism.